Want to download SCRIBD PDFs for free? Stay tuned. I'll show you a simple trick that works in just a few clicks. First, log into SCRIBD. If you don't already have an account, creating one takes less than a minute. Once you're logged in, search for the document or book you want. For example, let's search for Facebook ads. Once the results load, scroll down and focus on PDFs or documents since this method works perfectly with them. Let me pick this one here, Facebook ads. Next, click on the document and go to the address bar at the top. Copy the URL by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C on Mac. Now open a new tab and search for SCRIBD Downloader. Look for a reliable tool, SCRIBD Downloader. Open it, paste the URL you copied earlier into the search box using Ctrl+V and click Get Download. In just a few seconds, the download button will appear. Click it and your file will start downloading. Once it's ready, open the file and voila! You now have the complete Facebook ads PDF ready to read or use. And that's it. If you found this trick helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix and Click for more easy tech-savvy solutions. Comment below if you have questions or want more tutorials like this.